Are you tired of your savings account earning pennies, watching your money sit there, barely keeping pace with inflation, let alone actually growing? What if I told you there's a bank offering a genuinely competitive 4.35% APY on your savings, with literally no monthly fees and no minimum balance to earn that rate? Hey everyone, and welcome to Solution Seekers Hub, where we help you make smarter financial decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the Newtek Bank high-yield savings account. You've probably seen their impressive 4.35% APY advertised. But is it too good to be true? In this video, I'm going to give you a complete, no-nonsense review of Newtek Bank's high-yield savings account, addressing the three biggest questions you're probably asking. Is that 4.35% APY for real? And how easy is it to get? Are there hidden fees? And is my money truly safe? And who is this account actually best for? Because it might not be for everyone. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you find this review helpful and you're learning something new, please give this video a quick thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference and sends a positive signal to YouTube that you liked this content. It's a low commitment and it helps me help more people like you. But first, let's open a quick loop here. Newtek Bank, historically, is known as a business-focused bank. So you might be wondering, how did a bank primarily serving businesses suddenly become a top contender in the consumer high-yield savings space? Stick around, because understanding their background gives you a better picture of who they are, and I'll explain this before we wrap up the main points. Alright, let's tackle those burning questions. First up, is that 4.35% APY for real? Absolutely it is. As of my last check, Newtek Bank offers a competitive 4.35% annual percentage yield on their high-yield savings account. While the rate did recently decrease slightly from 4.45% as of June 2nd, 2025, it's still significantly higher than what most traditional banks offer. And here's the kicker. You simply need to open an account with any balance to earn that rate. There's no minimum deposit required to open or maintain the account, and no high balance tiers to unlock the best APY. It's as straightforward as it gets. Now let's talk about fees and security. This is where Newtek really shines for a high-yield account. There are no monthly fees, no hidden service charges, and no transaction fees listed. This means more of your hard-earned interest stays right where it belongs, in your pocket. In terms of accessibility, it's an online bank, which means nationwide availability and easy online account management 24/7. But most importantly, your deposits are FDIC insured up to the maximum amount allowed by law, which is currently $250,000. So, yes, your money is absolutely safe. So, with such competitive rates and no fees, who is Newtek Bank high-yield savings truly best for? It's ideal for online consumers who want a savings account with a high interest rate and minimal fees. However, every account has its trade-offs. Think of Newtek Bank as a high-performance, specialized tool, not a Swiss Army knife. While its savings rates are fantastic, it's important to remember Newtek is primarily a business-focused bank. This means for consumers, there are some significant limitations. No consumer checking accounts are offered. There's no branch access. You cannot deposit cash or mobile checks into consumer accounts. These features are only for business clients. And funding your account typically requires an external bank account, as they don't offer same-day transfers like Zelle. Remember that loop I opened earlier about Newtek's background as a business bank? And how I promised a crucial detail about their CDs? Well, this is where it all ties together. Beyond their high-yield savings, Newtek also offers certificates of deposit, CDs, with terms ranging from 6 months to 5 years. While the minimum deposit for their CDs is a bit higher at $2,500 compared to the typical $1,000 at other online banks, here's the key insight. Their short-term CD rates, like the one-year CD at 4.25% APY, tend to be more competitive than their long-term CD rates. This is valuable information if you're looking to ladder CDs or park money for a shorter duration while still earning a great return. It shows their focus on short-term business liquidity might translate into better short-term consumer offerings. So, there you have it. A complete breakdown of the Newtek Bank high-yield savings account. If you're an online saver looking for a high APY with no fuss, this account is definitely worth considering. Now that you've got the full picture on Newtek, if you want to stay updated on the latest in personal finance and bank reviews, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.